my check go. Run it up. Run my check go. Run my check go. Run my check go.
What up to my true youngin' gang? Of course, it's your girl LeeLeeurstrulee, and today I'm doing something that you guys asked me to do, which I've never done before. But when I say I'm so freaking hungry, I'm so freaking hungry. So I really had to, like, when I was setting up, I'm like, look, I want to eat so freaking bad. So I got some homemade spaghetti made with turkey meat. I have a link to a video down below that shows like a cooking with me and Gramz, and it shows how I make my spaghetti. I use the exact same recipe, only I use turkey meat instead of ground hamburger meat. Got corn on the cob and sweet corn on the cob. You know, I boiled it in that sugar water, salt, butter. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I made this toast. I just buttered up some toast on the stove and then put it in the oven, added some more butter. And then this salad, I made it up as well. It's just some organic baby spinach and some organic romaine leaves, well, lettuce. So I got some Food Club Parmesan cheese because I cannot eat my spaghetti without it. Well, I can, let me stop lying, but one thing that I don't like to eat my spaghetti without is ranch dressing. And y'all, I am a sloppy eater, okay? So I got some buttermilk ranch dressing from Hidden Valley. And I also got a Sprite, but you know, to go along with my food in my little mixer, I got some Malibu coconut rum, strawberry daiquiri mix, some pineapple juice, and some peach Tropicana. It's by Simply. I don't know if it's by Simply or Tropicana. I'll try to answer the picture, but it's peach juice. And my kids are upstairs, y'all, so if y'all hear some noise, I'm sorry, but my kids are awake. It's like middle of the day. So let me get to pouring this ranch. And you know, when I was younger, I used to not like for my food to touch, but the older I get, I'm like, Lord, touch, I don't care. I'm so ready to dig in. Oh my goodness. But I'm a messy eater, y'all. Like, for real. I'm so hungry. I'm just like, I'm not finna put on no makeup. I'm not finna do none of that shit. Y'all just finna see how it is. Because who does that? I'm gonna put on some makeup and then I'm gonna be trying to guard it. On my next one, if I do another one, if y'all like this one, then I'll do another one. Oh my gosh. If y'all have not tried my recipe for this spaghetti, you sleep. You missing out. Like, you missing out. It's so good. And then I was like, how I'm gonna be talking and eating? But honey, I'm finna get down with the get down. I kind of want some ice in here though. Yeah, I made this too strong the other day. I might be finna have to pour me some ice in here. Oops, I'm making a little, just a little couple pieces. Okay, I made this the other day, and I added some Jose Cuervo tequila to it. And when I say I took a sip, I literally took a sip, and I thought my astigmatism was making me go blind. Because it kind of tastes like juice. I'm so freaking hungry. But I was going to do some Chinese food today, some Chinese takeout. But I was like, you know what? For my first mukbang, I need to do my homemade spaghetti because everybody loves it. And if you follow me on Snapchat, which you should be following me on Snapchat, then you will know that y'all love to see me making my spaghetti on Snapchat. And it's so crazy because I was really inspired to do this video because I was just sitting there watching like mukbangs, and I enjoy watching them. And I cannot stand for people to be smacking in front of me, but like when I'm watching mukbangs, I just can't click off the video. I do not be able to click off. And bitch, this shit's so good. Excuse my language. This, y'all know me. This is so fire. Like, this is definitely not a first date meal for me. Because you'll have me toe up. Think I'm finna be trying to eat all pretty. No. No. What? I guess I can update you guys on my hair. It's healing pretty well. My hair growing back. I'm finna shave it all off again. But I was just praying that my hair grow back. I'm like, God, like how this gonna happen to me? And if you don't know what happened, then you should be following our vlog channel, because on the vlog channel, I explained to you guys that I got something on too. I usually use Got to Be Glue gel, but this time I use Ghost Bun glue, lace glue. And when I say that stuff burnt my hair off, it burnt my hair off. And you should just go watch the vlog. Go watch the vlog. It's called The Lace Glue Burnt All My Hair, my edges off. Y'all, that stuff burnt so bad. I'm not gonna be able to eat on this. I got a Sprite too. I got a Sprite. What? Excuse me. See, that's why you can't be drinking Sprite on camera, because I hate burping. This is too much. I thought I wasn't gonna eat all this, but honey, I'm finna tear this shit back. This kind of feels like we all at the dinner table together. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about doing this mukbang, but it feels like we all at the table together and like having a conversation, which is weird because I'm kind of sleep just sitting here, you know, by myself. But I know y'all are here with me in spirit. And it probably would be no talking because this spaghetti is so fire. And if you guys want to know why I make it with ground turkey instead of ground beef, it's because I was trying to look up healthier alternatives than red meat, because I haven't been eating red meat. When I say I eat so much chicken, so much turkey, I totally switched from sausage to turkey sausage. I haven't really switched from bacon, like the pork bacon, and I don't eat it that much. Like every blue moon you will see me eat some bacon, maybe if I have like a baked potato, or excuse me, if I have if I want a BLT, and sometimes I do crave BLTs, that's when I eat bacon. But I haven't really tried the turkey bacon because it don't seem like it's gonna do the same thing for me. Cause you know when you get that fat part on that bacon and that crunchy part on that bacon, it just be so freaking good. It be so freaking good. So I don't know about the turkey bacon, but turkey ground meat and turkey sausage and stuff like that, I've been enjoying. It definitely makes me feel lighter afterwards. I don't feel as heavy as I would when I eat ground beef. But yeah, pretty much that's all I've been doing. I've been looking into different not diets, but healthier ways of eating. Eventually I would want to try like a week or a month of vegan eating, but I'm trying to just up my vegetable intake because I don't eat a lot of vegetables. I'm getting full now. I'm getting damn full. But I did good. And am I the only person, like, I like to eat with big forks and big spoons. Like when I eat cereal, when I eat soup, when I eat anything, I need to have a big spoon. And I gotta have a big fork. Does that mean I'm greedy? Maybe. This is so good though. If you guys like to have drinks with your meals like I do, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you'll know like whenever we go out to eat, I have like a nice drink with my meal every time. I just have to. But I'm kind of scared of this one because it literally tastes like juice. So because the coconut rum is not potent, you know, it's not, you don't taste the liquor that much as already. So when I drink this, it's like I be drinking like juice, and I think that's how I got dizzy the last time, and I thought I was going blind. So try that at your own risk. You know what? I feel like my spaghetti recipe too will be good for those of you that will like spicy. If you add like some, I was finna say chili powder, but I don't know, some type of peppers and like spicy seasonings and stuff like that, this spaghetti would be so freaking good. Okay, see, I'm feeling it already. And I'm full. I don't want no more corn. I don't really want no more bread. But I love baby spinach. And I love romaine lettuce. Those two, I probably could just eat with like a vinaigrette or something. But, I mean, I'm almost done now, you guys. I didn't really have much to talk about because I was so hungry. But let me know if y'all really like this video and if you want to see some more. Like I said, I was thinking about doing Chinese food, but since I just did spaghetti, maybe I should do something different. Like when I do my baked barbecue chicken, baked beans, macaroni and cheese, rolls. That'd be fine. Or even as I get more and more on my healthy journey, the more I learn how to cook stuff, like healthy foods and stuff like that. Do y'all want me to do those mukbangs? Cause I can do that. And then like maybe some what I eat in a day along with my workout routine, because honey, it's time to get this summer body back. I gained like 15 pounds this winter. 10 to 15. It ain't really 15, but it's 10 to 15. So I gotta lose at least 20 since I gained 15. Maybe not even that much. I don't want to be skinny, y'all. I just want to be healthy more than anything. So I know I'm gonna have to cut back on my alcohol, my wines, because y'all know I love my wines and stuff like that. And then I might cut back on some of my starches. Y'all know potatoes is bae. Oh, I can do a whole mukbang with just my homemade fried potatoes. I steam them, just season them. It'd be so lit. But my mom says that, you know, I be eating my potatoes with my ketchup because I eat a lot of ketchup. But I'm pretty much done, you guys. I'm full. Like, I'm so freaking full. And this was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm finna be lit. The kids upstairs. My baby upstairs. Oh, I still got a little bit more drink left. So I'm finna sip. I'm finna chill out. And I guess I will talk to you guys on another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later.